Hi everyone, welcome to Fuchsia World. Today I am making a body posture sculpture using air dry clay. Air dry clay is very easy to handle and you don't need to bake it, it will dry in air. Here I am combining two pieces of clay so that I can have a rough idea of a body structure. I am showing you the view from above and I will also show you the side view so that you can understand it more easily. After that I am attaching two more small pieces like cylindrical pieces. Here you can see the side view. I am just using a tool to soften the rough edges. I am also using my hands for this purpose. And now I am shaping with my fingers and tools so you can have a rough idea that the structure or the sculpture is in a sitting position. Here I am making the straight line or indentation at the back to show the spine, and I am smoothing out the rough surfaces as much as possible. And now I'm attaching the arms and merge it with the shoulder. Here I am attaching the head on the neck. After addition of some more details, here are the final result. And I hope you like my work, and if you have any question you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.